Morning everybody. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 10th August to 16th August 2020. As usual, the new format of 5 questions will appear on your screen. You will do the answers, then after that we will discuss each and every questions in details. So here are the question number 1 to 5 on your screen. Question number 1. Based on important books and authors, amazing stories. And the author is Nina Roy. Next, the Isaberg. The Isaberg is the latest book of J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling. Next, The Race of My Life. The Race of My Life. It is Milkha Singh. The next, Golden Girl, it is autobiography, Golden Girl, it is of P.D. Usha. P.D. Usha. Write down some additional books, authors related to J.K. Rowling. The first one, please write down The Casual Vacancy. The Casual Vacancy. The Casual Vacancy. Next, The Silkworms. The Silkworm. Silkworm. The Silkworm are the books of J.K. Rowling. Question number 2. Based on important articles and what it signifies. Let's see Article 110 or Article 110. It is definition of money bill. Definition of money bills. Article 112. Article 112. It is annual financial statement, or we also called as union budget. Formally it is called as annual financial statement. Next, Article 44. Article 44, it is Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Next comes Article 51A. Article 51A deals with fundamental duties. Fundamental duties. Write down very important info related to fundamental duties. Under which committee it is set up? Swaran Singh Committee. Please write down Swaran Singh, SWARAN, Swaran Singh Committee, and under 42nd Amendment of 1976, 42nd Amendment of 1976, Swaran Singh Committee. Which part it deals? Part 4A. Part 4A. Next, question number 3. Important appointments. Important appointments. Mahendra Rajapaksa. Mahendra Rajapaksa, recently elected PM of Sri Lanka. Mahendra Rajapaksa. Next, R.N. Ravi. R.N. Ravi is the Governor of Nagaland. Governor of Nagaland. Next comes Ashok Lavasa. Ashok Lavasa is Vice President of ADB, Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank. Ashok Lavasa. Next, the last one, Rakesh Asthana. Rakesh Asthana, recently appointed as DG of BSF. DG of BSF, Director General of Border Security Force. Border Security Force. What is the motto of BSF? Duty unto death. Duty unto death. Next comes question number 4. Based on important missile system in India, let's see Sarthak. Sarthak is a offshore patrol vessel. Offshore patrol vessel. That is Sarthak. Next comes INS Chakra. INS Chakra, India's first nuclear submarine. India's first nuclear submarine. Next comes INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant, first indigenously aircraft carrier. First indigenously built aircraft carrier. That is INS Vikrant. Then the last one comes Swati. Swati, it is weapon locating radar. Weapon locating radar. And the last number question, 5 number question, important dates and which day it is observed. Let's see, World Lion Day. World Lion Day, it is 10th August. World Lion Day, it is 10th August. It is observed. World Elephant Day. World Elephant Day, that is 12th August. 12th August, World Elephant Day. Next comes World Organ Donation Day. World Organ Donation Day, it is observed on 13th of August. 13th August. The next comes World Photography Day. World Photography Day is observed on 19th of August. 19th August. It is observed, please remember. 19th August also we observed World Humanitarian Day. You can note down World Humanitarian Day. It is observed on 19th of August. 12th August we also observe International Youth Day. International Youth Day. This is all about question number 5. Thank you very much. First one, AIIB. Please note down, AIIB stands for Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. How many members are there? 102 members are there. Where is the headquarters? Beijing, China. Beijing, China. Jin Luqin is the president. Jin Luqin, JINLIQUN. Jin Luqin is the president of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Next comes NDB, New Development Bank. New Development Bank. Shanghai is the headquarter. Shanghai is the headquarter, China, and New Development Bank. And who is the president? Marcos Trozoy. Marcos Trozoy. TROYZO. Trozoy. Marcos Trozoy is the president. Next comes IBSA. IBSA is the member nations. I for India, B for Brazil, and SA for South Africa. So it's group of 3 countries. I for India, B for Brazil, and SA for South Africa. Next comes IDA, that is International Development Association. International Development Association. And who is the CEO? Kristalina Georgieva. Kristalina Georgieva. KRISTALINA. Kristalina Georgieva. GEORGIEVA. Kristalina Georgieva is the Chief Executive Officer of International Development Association. Next comes IMO, that is International Maritime Organization. International Maritime Organization. And where is the headquarters? London, UK. Next, question number 7. Name the online portal. This is online portal launched by Defense Ministry to promote indigenization of defense production. And the right answer it is Srijan. Srijan is one type of online portal launched by Defense Ministry. The main objective to identify on this portal, you can identify latest technologies and latest equipments, and to produce that we should give it private companies. All private companies will produce that. So this is one type of online portal launched by Defense Ministry. The name it is Srijan. Next in option it is given PMSBY, that is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, write down, it is an accident insurance scheme. Accident insurance scheme which covers under the age of 18 to 70 years. 18 to 70 years. It is an accident insurance scheme, and per annum you have to deposit 12 rupees. Per annum you have to deposit 12 rupees. In case of death you will get 2 lakhs, and in case of partial disability you will get 1 lakh. So this is all about PMSBY, that is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Next comes Vikaspedia. Vikaspedia, it is option it is given. It is an information and knowledge portal which provides information and knowledge related to the various schemes the government which is launched, and it was launched on 18th of February 2014. 18th of February 2014, Vikaspedia was launched by the government of India. Basically it is a information and knowledge portal. Next comes Swasthya Sathi. Swasthya Sathi, it is a group health insurance scheme. It is a group health insurance scheme which was launched by West Bengal government on 2016 December. Next comes question number 8. Which of the following bank recognized as best bank in India? Best bank in India by Global Magazine Financial Asia for 4th consecutive year? And the right answer it is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. PNB, it is written here PNB, Punjab National Bank. And what is the motto of Punjab National Bank? Motto or tagline we can write down. Please note down PNB tagline, Punjab National Bank tagline. Together for the better. Together for the better. Note down. Next comes ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank tagline. Write down हम है ना, हम है ना, ख्याल आपका. Another tagline, ख्याल आपका. Write down HDFC Bank headquarter, that is in Mumbai, and what is the tagline of HDFC Bank? We understand your world. We understand your world is the tagline of HDFC Bank. Recently appointed HDFC Bank CEO, that is Sasidhar Jagdishan. Sasidhar Jagdishan is the CEO of Chief Executive Officer of HDFC Bank. Sasidhar Jagdishan. Next, question number 9. Which state has topped in the ranking for implementation of Amrit scheme launched in 2015? It was launched in 2015. Amrit scheme, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Gujarat, it is given. And the right answer it is Odisha. Odisha is the right answer. Before that, please note down Amrit stands for, write down, Atal Mission for Rejuvenation. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. What is the basic motto or aim of this scheme? It was to supply water, developing greenery, atmosphere, or opening of various parks, well-maintained open spaces, switching to public transport are the basic aim of Amrit. It was launched on 24 June 2015. 24 June 2015. Amrit was launched. Next comes question number 10. The official sponsor. This is really important question for exam point of view. Sports related question. Please remember the official sponsor of Indian team for Tokyo Olympics. And right answer it is Inox Group. INOX, Inox Group. Okay, it's the official sponsor of Indian team for Tokyo Olympics 2020. Next, it is option, it is given Dream 11. It's really important. Dream 11 recently got the bid, official sponsor of Indian Premier League 2020, which will be going to held in UAE, United Arab Emirates. That is Dream 11, official sponsor of IPL 2020. Official sponsor of IPL 2020, Indian Premier League. Odisha government, it is given. Odisha government is the official sponsor of Indian hockey team. Indian hockey team, official sponsor, that is Odisha government. This is all about question number 6 to 10. Thank you very much. Question number 11 to 15. Here it is on your screen. Question number 11. According to the new announcement of GST Council, now gold and jewelry will attract a GST rate of 3%, 0%, 12%, 6%, and the right answer is 3%. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Question number 12. The first 100% organic state in the world. Options Assam, Punjab, Sikkim, Haryana. It is given. The right answer it is Sikkim. And a totally natural manure they will start producing. They will use agriculture and purely natural manure based, no artificial. Okay, so Sikkim will be the right answer here. Next question number 13. Which of the following two projects announced by PM recently in 74th Independence Day speech? The right answer it is Project Lion and Dolphin. Project Lion and Dolphin. Okay, Project Tiger. You can remember and note down Project Tiger. 1973 it is started. Project Tiger. Project Elephant. It is 1992. Project Elephant. You can note down. Wildlife Protection Act. Which year it is came? Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 1972. Here exam point of view it is important. Then another one MAB. Write down MAB. Man and Bioreserve. Man and Bioreserve. It is 14 biodiversity declared by UNESCO. 14 biodiversity declared by UNESCO in 1971. Man and Bioreserve. It is located, identified 14 important sites and declared biodiversity in India, and that is declared by UNESCO 1971. Man and Bioreserve. So these are the additional info you can collect from question number 13. Next question number 14. India at the rate 75th Summit Mission 2022. It is organized by. It is Confederation of Indian Industry. Right answer it is Confederation of Indian Industry. So Niti Aayog. Niti stands for National Institution for Transforming India. National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog, which replaced Planning Commission, and 1st January 2015, Niti Aayog was set up. So you can note down the additional info related to question number 14. Next question number 15. Arrow 2 is a type of, which type of missile? That is anti-ballistic missile. Note down air to ground missile. Option A it is given air to ground missile. And what is that? Hammer. HAMMER. Hammer missile is one type of air to ground missile. Option C it is given LRSAM. First we will discuss what is the full form. LRSAM, that is long range surface to air missile. That is Barak 8, which we purchased from Israel. And that is LRSAM, long range surface to air missile. Next comes fighter jet. Recently we purchased Rafale from France, and Rafale is one type of multi-role fighter or fighter jet. Thank you very much. the last set of questions 16 to 20 on your screen. Let's see. Question number 16. India is all set to receive two latest VVIP aircraft Air India One from. Answer it is USA. Very important persons for them. New aircraft, that is Air India One, that is purchased from USA. Next question number 17. Name the ODIA astronaut. It's ODIA astronaut selected for Gaganyaan, India's first manned mission to space in 2022. And the right answer it is Wing Commander Nikhil Rath. Wing Commander Nikhil Rath. This is the answer. Right now, General Bipin Rawat, an option it is given, General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff. Chief of Defence Staff. Chief of Defence Staff. Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand, it is given in your option, and people fondly called as the wizard, the hockey wizard, the magician of hockey, and also won Olympic gold medal in 1928, 1932, 1936. Consecutively gold medal for Major Dhyan Chand. And the most important info you can remember is that on his birth anniversary, 29th August, we observe as National Sports Day. National Sports Day. On his birth anniversary or birth day, we observe as National Sports Day. National Sports Day, which date it is observed? 29 August. 29 August. Next comes question number 18. The winner of 70th anniversary Grand Prix to become the first, you will remember, first non-Mercedes driver. First non-Mercedes driver to win a race in 2020. And the right answer it is Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen plays for the team Red Bull Racing. Red Bull Racing. What is the team? Red Bull Racing. In the same option it is given Lewis Hamilton plays for which team? Mercedes. Valtteri Bottas, as it is given here, Valtteri Bottas for Mercedes team plays for Sebastian Vettel. Which team? Mercedes. Sorry, Sebastian Vettel for Ferrari. Ferrari is the team. Next question number 19. Recently PM launched 2312 kilometer undersea optical fiber cable link between Chennai to Port Blair. Chennai to Port Blair. Now the option you can associate Cochin Port. Cochin is given. Cochin Port, it is there in Kerala. Marmengaon Port, it is there in Goa. Marmengaon Port, the largest iron ore exporting center. Marmengaon Port, which is located in Goa. Then Bangalore, it is given. We can say it Mangalore Port, gateway of Karnataka. Mangalore Port, which is there. And that information you can collect from question number 19. Next comes the last number question, 20 number. The new chairperson of Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited. Same you can remember. And the right answer it is Soma Mandal. Soma Mandal is going to be the new chairperson of Steel Authority of India Limited. DP Singh, it is given. DP Singh is the chairman of University Grants Commission. University Grants Commission chairperson. Sasidharan Jagdishan is the CEO of SDFC Bank. CEO, Chief Executive Officer of SDFC Bank. Then Gurdeep Singh, it is given. Gurdeep Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of NTPC. Chairman and Managing Director of NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Well, this much of current affair class of 20 to 16th August 2020. This much for today's class. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind.